Hi friends. Welcome to Dentistry Love channel. Broken file retrieval part 1. Causes of broken file. Overusage of hand and rotary files. Improper irrigation and canal blockage. For rotary nickel titanium files, inadequate use of chelating agent, example, EDTA, makes the file prone to fracture. Improper cleaning and usage of files. Common reasons for fracture of rotary nickel titanium files are flexural and torsional fatigue. Unfortunately, it's theoretically impossible to create non-breaking instruments because of the fact that more flexible instruments, that are more resistant to cyclic fatigue, have been assumed to be less resistant to torsional load and vice versa. Management of broken files. Historically, it was recommended to leave the fractured instrument in the canal as it won't affect the prognosis and could be retained as the risk of removal was very high. However, recently the use of dental microscope and the introduction of specialized ultrasonic tips to manage the broken files, which would limit the risk of complications. It has been recorded that the incidence of broken files is 0.25% for hand instruments and 1.68% to 2.4% for rotary instruments. Irrigation was conducted by using irrigant and activation was done through an endo-activator, a sonically driven irrigation system, designed to safely and vigorously energize the hydrodynamic phenomenon. Since the direct application of ultrasonic devices doesn't have the ability required to remove the file, endodontic micro-forceps, broken instrument removal kit, were used, including a screw wedge that works by clamping the file fragments through a mechanical lock and pulling them to the coronal. After the file fragment has been successfully lifted, it was confirmed with a radiograph. The broken instrument removal kit contains 3 micro-trepans, 1 extractor handle, 3 extractors, 1 foreign forceps and 1 instrument box. Extractors and foreign forceps can be mounted on the extractor handle for use. Available in 3 sizes, 17 mm, 21 mm, and 26 or 25 mm. The broken instrument removal kit is used for the removal of separate instrument root canal system. Here's the pic of broken file removal kit for your reference. Here's the pic of micro-trepans for your reference. These turbine burrs used to cut the dentin around the file, creating space for the extractor to grasp it. Here's the pic of 3 extractors and micro-tweezer for your reference. Extractors differs in tip sizes and then grab claw-shaped foreign forceps used as micro-tweezer. Here's the pic of 3 extractors and micro-tweezer for your reference. Extractors used to grasp the file and takes it out smoothly. Procedure: if you find broken file inside the canal, first measure its level and the extension of it inside the canal, with a proper radiograph. Adequate irrigation with an ultrasonic tip is better. Sometimes if the file size is less it may reach out. Coronally under endo-activator, a sonically driven irrigation system, designed to safely and vigorously energize the hydrodynamic phenomenon. Then if you're using the broken removal file kit, first take the extractor handle and place the trephine burr, sizes varies according to the tooth and root canal. Then, use trephine burr to remove the dentin around the file to about minimum 2 mm exposure. After that select the extractor which is suitable for the file to be removed, then place it on the handle. It in turn gently grasps the broken instrument and this is how it has to be removed with this kit. Advantages of using kit: limited amount of removed dentin of root canal wall. Avoid the inconvenience and risk of the ultrasonic tip fracture in traditional technique. Avoid secondary fracture of the separated nickel titanium instrument when using the ultrasonic technique. Microscopic tweezers are favorable and efficient for operation. The operation process is easy to learn and use. Prevention: proper usage of files and not overusage. Proper irrigation and proper cleaning of files at regular intervals during treatment. If you're using rotary files, it's important to use chelating agent. Examples include RC Help, EDTA, as it reduces breakage and helps in maintaining the cutting efficiency of files. Not applying excess force or torsional load while using the file inside root canal. Thank you friends. Please do subscribe for more videos.